So I wanted to try some Halloween themed fidgets. It's a potion bottle, a cauldron, a little frog, witch's cap, poisoned apple, and these you'll see what they are here in a little bit. And then my daughter just wanted an egg, so I made that for her. So I will come back after I've cleaned them, glossed them, and cured them, and you'll see what they look like. And here they are. They're not perfect, but I think they turned out pretty cute. I'm going to go ahead and add them to my shop and keep practicing with some more. And I'll end this video with a quick sound test of clicky and creamy switch. Thanks for watching.